Kim Chu, ginawang breakfast ang workout. Nasungkit, Mock About the Star 2024 Award. Umagang-umaga pa lang ay diretsyo na agad sa gym si Kim Chu. Ibinida ng aktres sa kanyang Instagram post ang kanyang iba't ibang workout tuwing umaga. Strong body, strong mind for breakfast. Nothing like a good workout to wake up those happy cells. Every rep, every drop of sweat fuels not just my body but my mind, dagdag pa ni Kim. Pinusuan naman ng mga netizen ang workout video ni Kim. Grabe ang lakas mo, Kimmy. My strong, healthy and beautiful girl. The best ka talaga, Kimmy girl. Sa kasalukuyan, si Kim ay mapapanood sa programang It's Showtime. Samantala, kabilang si KD Estrada at Kim Chu sa mga nakasungkit ng Mock About the Star 2024 Award. Sa anunsyo ng Star Magic, nag-abot ito ng pagbati kay KD at Kim matapos parangalan ng Net Mock About the Star 2024 Award. Ibinida rin ni KD sa kanyang Instagram story ang nakuhang award. Thank you to my cadets and sweethearts who tirelessly voted for me. Pati si Kim ay nagpasalamat matapos makuha ang nasabing award. Thank you po, say ni Kim. Sa kabilang banda, feeling proud si Bella Padilla sa kanyang mga beshies na sina Angelica Panganiban at Kim Chu at aniyay malayo na ang narating ng kanilang pagkakaibigan. Ibinida ni Bella Padilla ang kanyang Becky beshies na sina Angelica Panganiban at Kim Chu na aniyay kabilang sa mga nagpapasaya sa kanya. Ani Bella, mula nang una silang maging close noong 2017 ay tila napakalayo na ng kanilang narating. I realized we've all come so far from the girls we were in 2017. Heartbroken but with hearts full of fire, whether for films, for love that just wasn't working out, for personal problems or for our dreams that we wouldn't even tell each other, the three of us were so hungry for more and so keen to prove how much we could do. Ani Bella sa kanyang mahabang mensahe sa Instagram. Kwento pa ni Bella, habang nagkukwentuhan sila kahapon at pinag-uusapan ang trabaho, mga taong kanilang kakilala at mga nawala na sa kanila, pamilya, mga bagong project at negosyo. Naramdaman niyang sobrang proud siya sa kanilang mga pinagdaanan. Yesterday, I saw two women who I've seen through their bests and their worsts, and they've seen me through my storms and sunny days too, Ani Bella. I loved seeing them content. I loved seeing them be present. Yesterday felt like coming home. Heart, I'm very proud of you too, at Angelica and at Shanity Princess, you guys make me look forward to life. And for that I'm always grateful, pahayag pa ni Bella.